Can I get you anything?
I'm just waiting for a friend. Coffee for now, please.
Are you sure?
Oh, let's make it decaf. Thank you.
Anything good today, Louise?
It's about to get real good, fam. Just watch.
Parker, hey!
So good to see you, Noah.
Really? We were just talking last night.
I know, but I was missing your hugs. Phase 2 again?
But today's different, trust me.
So what else is new?
Those two, Parker and Noah, they come here for breakfast pretty often.
They just seem like friends to me.
I've seen many friends come and go, but there's something different about those two.
Maybe one is in love with the other.
The beginning of a classic love story.
More like a recipe for disaster.
Are you guys ready to order?
I'll just have the croissant.
And a muffin.
Great, I'll be right back.
So Noah, what girls have you been talking to?
Why do you assume I'm always talking to someone?
Oh, come on. You're always talking to someone. You haven't given me any updates recently.
Well, that's because I'm not talking to anyone.
False. That means whoever you're thinking of is very important.
Yeah, the whole vibe of this is pretty serious, especially from Noah. Maybe she wants to end the friendship.
You mean like fading out? But they're so darn cute.
Maybe you just don't want to jinx it. That's okay. Why are you so quiet? You gonna tell me that you're in love with me?
Yes.
Sorry about that. I'll clean it up. Fuck, that was the right. Oh my god, what is she doing?
Are you serious?
Yeah, I didn't stutter.
Whoa.
I know, I'm sorry, I fucked up. I never intended for things to get like this.
I told you, this is big. This is the part where they confess their love for each other.
Not so fast, Nicholas Sparks. Although Noah confessed, it doesn't seem to be two-sided.
But what a grand gesture. Who wouldn't fall in love?
I know you're probably disappointed or mad.
Why tell me now?
Well, I was being a bad friend.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was. Every romantic advice I gave you was biased. I was filtering myself on what I could or could not tell you. It's not good for either of us.
I just never imagined this.
None of this would have happened. They've been honest, really honest, and from the start. Not this bullshit. With friendships like these, it's a possibility one must account for.
I just have one question.
Yes, please go ahead.
Why do it? Or why do it now? Or just why?
Tough question. I guess we just got too cocky.
We?
Yes, we. I mean, I tried to ignore my feelings for you, but we just kept getting closer. Spending more time with your family, going on trips, talking about our plans for the future.
So this is my fault.
I didn't say that. I need you to understand that these things happen. There's a maximum amount of I love yous you can say before you start believing them.
Here's your food. Can I help you guys with the refill?
We're good,
Well,
thank you.
you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
I don't want you to hate me.
I'm not gonna hate you.
May I ask you a question?
Shoot.
It's about our deal.
They promised to get married. They both are single at 30. A classic.
That is kind of fucked up.
Why make that kind of a deal with someone you don't want anything to do with?
It's not that I didn't want anything to do with you. It's just maybe deep down I knew about you and I was just too afraid to admit it. I thought, give it a few years and I could change my mind.
Have you changed your mind?
No. Are you okay?
I will be. I knew I was taking a risk here.
You're very brave.
Things are going to be a little bit weird between us, right?
Yeah, probably. Look, I love you. I really do. And I was more afraid of losing you or that our dynamics would change. Or I couldn't love you as much as you love me. I was also a bad friend. But hey, nothing we can't get through.
Cheers to that.
I think that's very romantic.
More like very stupid. Risking it all on a whim?
Isn't that what love is all about?
Maybe. Do you think they'll make it?
I believe love finds a way.